Here's a quick run through of the 20-ounce skinny animation tool. It follows a similar style to all my existing mock-ups. If you've got any of those, you'll be familiar with the layer stack below there. First thing you need to do is turn off this space-saving layer. That's just there to cut the file sizes down. To be able to see the timeline, you've got to make sure it's on. I think it's in your Windows timeline there, and you'll see you'll have these controls here to rewind and play. If you do a little quick play now, you can see it's starting to render. First thing you'll probably want to do is to add your own design. So in this layer here called step 1, double click the smart object. Now this will open up another layer stack. The top one, don't be tempted to edit anything in there. That's where all the work goes on. The only thing you need to do is double click this smart object, and there is where you put your design. So file, place embedded. Let's find something interesting. Now, your design, if you're doing a full wrap, it'll probably be roughly the right dimensions already. But if not, just stretch it out to fill the canvas. If you haven't got a full wrap design and you're just having, say, a SVG or something, then it doesn't matter. You just place it and then do trial and error until it looks right on the tumbler. Okay, so let's close that now and be sure to say yes to saving it. And we go here and close this one as well and say yes to saving it. And there's the design. The optional reflections are currently on. You can turn those off if you want something more vivid, or dial them down with the opacity there. I quite like it quite high, so I'm going to leave it at 84%. You can switch the straw from steel to plastic if you prefer. You can turn the shadows on and off the tumbler. You can turn the background and then file, place, embed one of your own backgrounds. I'll just leave the blanks on for now. You could even in fact duplicate the whole tumbler and have two different designs, or 3 or 4 if you preferred. All you'd need to do is then make sure you right click on that here over the text and say new smart object via copy. Get rid of that one, otherwise it will just always repeat the bricks. Let's not do that now. Let's just do a basic one. When you're ready to go and you're happy with everything, you need to do is to go. You can either preview it by pressing play, just ensure everything's okay. Can take a while, but it would obviously be faster on a faster machine. Looks a bit stuttery to begin with. Once it's cached all the frames, it should start playing in real time. It's a 10-second animation. So we're up to 7 seconds there. There's the seconds. Okay, once it's cached, they will start to show smoothly. When you're ready to save it, go to File, Render Video. That's the default size there, but you could change it to make it smaller. If you do make it smaller, I think it will keep the same aspect ratio. You can't just say put a square by changing 1280. What you'd need to do if you wanted to say something for Instagram in the square format, go to image, canvas size, and crop like that. Will still work, just need to render out again. Let's assume you want normal size. Let's go to File, Render Video, and Render. It's already got one there, it's going to replace it. Again, this can take a while depending on the speed of your machine. I'll pause this and wait to get to the end. Okay, it's nearly finished now. If you're wondering where you saved it and you didn't take a note, go back to Render Video and it's there. You can actually select wherever you want to put it. There's a little reference for you. And then you go into your file browser and there's the animation. And that's it.